Ladies and gentlemen, we are recording. We are in lesson 4.4. Have a seat, please. Thank you. And 4.4 is elapsed time. And what that means is time that is passed, and you have to figure it out. So, for example, if someone said, I did something at this time, or I started doing something at this time, it's now this time, what you have to do is try to figure out how much time has gone by. Okay? So if you take a look at what we're going to do, the key learning things, the amount of time from start to the end of an activity is what we call the elapsed time. That's a new word for you, elapsed. The second thing we have here is elapsed time can be found by counting the hours and the minutes between the start and the end time. Now we're going to continue and do just the amounts in 5-minute increments or 5-minute jumps today. We'll be doing the other time a little bit later. So, here's our first problem. Abby and Leon played snap multiplication with the cards. They started playing at 2 o'clock and ended at 2:10. How much time did they play for? Don't answer yet. Okay? No answering yet. I know you can see this, and I know you're going to go, oh, I know the answer. Well, of course you do. I made this really easy so you would see the answer so you know how to compare. So, how do we do this? Well, I have some 2 beautiful new clocks. Now, this is the time they started at 2 o'clock. They finished at 2:10. With me so far? Yeah. All right, so turn to the page. How much time has passed? Well, how do we figure that out? Well, if you take a look over here, we started at the big hand at the 12, and it has moved from the 12 right here, 5 minutes, and another 5 minutes, which takes us to a total of 10 minutes. You see how I counted them off? All right? Now, the reason I'm doing this is that we're going to do 5-minute jumps today, but later on, we're going to do minute jumps. So you're going to have the big hand maybe come point to here. So you'll have to take a look at jumping and counting that way. So we all know, because this one is a very easy problem, and you're all very smart people, that this one took 10 minutes. So Abby and Leon played for 10 minutes.
I have a question.
Now, okay, stop and take the question first. Leon.
Who won the game?
It was a tie.
Aww.
You had the same number of cards. Okay, we know that. All right, next problem. Now you notice it doesn't start at 12 o'clock, does it? So, or 2 o'clock. This is a little bit harder. Now, David played a video game, or played video games, from 4:40 until 5:10. How long did David play video games for? Don't answer yet.
I want to.
You're not allowed to. So, we have to have somebody come up and put the hands on for the start. All right, Haley, start. 4:40. Draw me the 4:40 hands only, please. And then Kaylin can come up and do the 4 to 5:10. Remember, only one person can touch the board at the same time once, right? What did you do?
Your arm.
That's okay. Just,
Oh, no, my arm is.
okay. So here we go.
So what do I have to do?
You're going to put the finish time down. She's putting down the time with 4:40.
4:40.
All right, good job there. You put the marker down, and now we have.
No, she cannot do that.
Let's see. All right, Kaylin. 5:10. Little hand, so the 5. And the big hand is at 3. Oh, we're multicolored now. It's kind of a bent hand here. Okay. 5:10. Do you agree with her? Are both of them right? Well, I'll tell you what. How's that? Pretty magical, isn't it? It's like, bada bing. Why? Because I want you all to learn how to do this. All right, so how much time has passed? Well, we're starting at this hand right here at the 8, right? So this is where we're beginning, and we have to get this one all the way around until it gets to the 2, right? So our job is to do some skip counting. So starting at 8, you can see it now. Start counting by 5s. It goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. Okay. So it's 30 minutes or a half an hour exactly. How much time has passed? I turn my little button here and it goes, David played for 30 minutes or a half an hour. What do you think? Is it hard?
No.
All right. You asked for it. Ryan took 25 minutes to walk downtown and rent a movie. He got home at 2:40. What time did he leave? This is backwards.
I know this to work.
It's backwards. So this time, okay, just a sec, I need my clocks. Here we go. All right, so Ryan got home at 2:40. Okay, Ryan, you're up here, you're gonna do 2:40. Just a second. Oh, you really want to have a big hand, don't you? I have to put a stool there for everybody. There you go, you're on there. Two little hand there, yeah. Oh, we got the next one there, okay? Just press the end on that. Okay, and now where's the next one going?
I forgot those were out there.
Alright, so we get to go back to the buttons, so you gotta press hard. Okay, good job, 2:40. Alright, now, the next one, okay, Matthew, do you think you can do it? Let's do it. I need you to put the hands on the time, which is 25 minutes earlier. We just put the hand 25 minutes earlier. Oh, yeah. No, I just want the minute hand. I don't want to worry about the, is that the minute hand or is that the hour hand you're doing? Okay, so the hour hand is 25 minutes before 2 o'clock. It's got to be before 2, isn't it? So you have to add 3. You can't go... Alright, what do you guys think?
No.
Your classmates are voting that you may have made a mistake. Okay, so let's take a look here. At 25 minutes back, so we're going 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you get the little hand mixed up. You should have this hand a little bit longer. Okay, a little bit longer. Alright? Now the other one, you've gone from, you're still at 2 o'clock, right? And instead of being 40 minutes after 2, it's now backed up to where?
2:15.
So here, 2:15. So this one here is actually supposed to be stuck right here. Alright, so we have that set to go. And according to our magic clock thing here, we placed the hands on there. And we did backed up just like you guys showed me. And that is what we just did. So what time is it now, Matthew?
2:25.
Close.
2:15.
This is not, you gotta remember to take these out, right? Because that's just us backing up the time.
Now you move the clock
Yeah,
back.
you fix it. Alright, so what is this 2:15 exactly? So we now know that it's 2:15. Bravo, well done.
Now what?
Now, we have to continue. And we have a problem because we are out of time, which means you're probably not going to be able to post this to your parents, but we'll take it.